Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool microphone right here in my hand, and basically what this is a portable wireless speaker that is actually used as a power bank as well. So it has a 50 watts output power, it has 8000 mAh battery, it is IPX5 waterproof, so if you get a little bit of water like rain or whatever, it should be fine. I don't suggest you guys throwing this into like the ocean or tub of water or anything, because I don't think it's fully waterproof up to that extent, but it is water resistant or waterproof for like splashes, water, and everything else. It has NFC and it also has a TF card option as well if you want to use that option. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what the product looks like and what comes in the package first. So when you guys first open it up, it should look something like that. So you guys get the actual product and the accessory box right here. Let's take it all out. So right here we have the accessory box. If we open it up, inside they do provide guys a cable which is USB to USB-C. So you can see right there, it is a USB to USB-C cable, and it also is a nylon braided cable as well. So it is a high quality cable. And also inside they do provide guys an aux cable as well, so you can use that to play music onto your other devices as well if you want to. And then next thing right here, we have the actual product itself right here. If you can see, it's well protected, and the actual product itself, it does have a little strap right here that's actually used to hold it around if you guys want to. But on the bottom, they do provide guys a warranty card and also instruction manual as well to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So let's take out the speaker right here first and see what it looks like. Alright, take off the wrapper. So this is basically what the speaker looks like. If you guys can see, they have a little strap right here. So if you guys want to, you guys can carry around like this. So you can bring it with you guys anywhere you guys want to. So the front part right here is where the speaker is. And I believe on the side right here and right here, those are the bass. And supposedly for this product, it's supposed to have a higher volume and also a really strong bass. But obviously we'll test that out in a second. If you guys take a look at the top part right here, they do have the buttons right here. So there's a power button, volume down, volume up, play and pause button, and then the equalizer button right here. And then for the plus and minus button, if you guys press and hold it down, you guys can actually use the option to skip the song or go back to the previous song. And if you guys look really carefully, like right there, they do have a built-in mic so you can use it to make calls as well, which is pretty cool. And when you take a look at the back part right here, if you guys see right here, there's a little component right here that's sealed up to make it waterproof or water resistant, which is pretty cool. And basically what this is, if you open up, that's what the inside looks like. So they have a USB slot right there, they have a TF card slot, the aux cable slot, and the USB-C slot right there. So it's actually used this as a power bank to charge your other devices, such as your iPhone, iPad, or whatever, which is pretty cool. And like I mentioned earlier, it has a capacity of 8000 mAh, which should last you guys for quite some time. And then the cool thing about this speaker right here is the fact that if you guys want that really strong audio, you guys can actually get two of these to pair side by side to give you guys that home theater vibe. And if you guys are wondering how long is the battery life on the actual product itself, you guys can actually use it for up to 24 hours, which is a really long time. And that is if you guys use it correctly on like the lowest volume setting. If you guys use it at the highest volume setting, you most likely will not get that full 24 hours that I mentioned. So this is the front part. Here is the side. And here's the other side right here, and then the top part right there, and then the back part right here, and then the bottom part right there. They do have the anti-skid material, so you guys want to peel that off before actually using the product itself to give you guys that very good support, and also to give you guys a better audio as well when you guys have this supported on the table. And then the strap option, like I mentioned, you guys actually make it tighter or looser however you guys want to, but you guys can definitely use it as a little strap to carry wherever you guys want to, like a little bag or a little purse, which is pretty awesome. So before we test out the audio on the actual product itself, let me actually show you guys how the back part right here works first and whether or not that actually works. Alright, so first thing I want to do to use the back part is to turn it on. So you just want to press it down to turn it on, and it goes into pairing mode. But we'll try the back part first. So I'm going to use this cable that we have right here to charge my iPhone. Alright, so I'll plug this cable inside right here first. So I want to open this part up right here, plug in the USB. If you guys see it's inside there. Let's plug this onto my phone right here. Alright, so it works. So since that part works, I want to test it out to see whether or not we can actually charge the product itself while charging the actual phone itself at the same time. So I have it plugged in right there. Let me plug this one inside here. Alright, so we have it plugged in right there, if you can see. And the way how you guys know when it's charging is by looking at right here. So the battery life is 1 out of 3, so it's not fully charged yet. So you do need to let it fully charge. But this is basically how you guys know when it's charging. But now let me actually play the music on here and see whether or not actually works while we are charging the actual speaker and also our phone as well. Alright, so we got connected. Let's play a song. So we're gonna play this song right here, test it out. can definitely still use the speaker right here while the actual phone is charging, and also while you're charging the speaker as well. So let's try out the buttons on top first. So once you guys reach the maximum volume on the actual speaker itself, you guys will need to control the remainder of the volume on your actual device, such as your smartphone or whatever you guys plan on connecting on here. So let's continue, and I'll show you guys how to skip the song as well. Alright, so you can see that is basically how you guys skip the song and go back to the previous song. All the button controls on here work really well. But let's try out the last one right here, which is the equalizer button right here, and see what that does. So I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but when you guys click on the equalizer button, it kind of decreases like the bass a little bit to make it less bassy. So if you guys don't want too much bass, you guys can definitely use that option right there. But you can see the actual product itself, it works really well. Audio is really strong. You guys can definitely hear the bass, the vocals, and everything else really clearly on the actual product itself. I definitely love the well-built quality on the actual product itself. You guys get the speakers in the front like I mentioned, and you guys can get the dual bass on here and also on here as well. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that any kind of like Bluetooth speaker or any kind of like portable wireless speaker that's similar to this, where it's actually used the TF card option and also as a power bank, then these are definitely super worth it. And also the Bluetooth speaker has the option where it's waterproof or water resistant. That is definitely really cool as well. So that way you can actually bring this to the beach and play music with your friends, or if you guys want to bring this to like a house party or whatever, you guys can definitely do that as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.